Today we're going to learn about egg diet. So this diet is basically from Versatile Wiki. You can follow her on YouTube. So this has been implemented and very successfully, and there were good results. So let's get started. So for this egg diet, you have breakfast, lunch, and evening, and dinner. What you can do, you have supplements like carrots and cucumbers, but there are no supplements for egg. You have to take egg at any cost. So please make sure if you have any allergies or any sort of issues with egg. And one more thing, you have to take lots and lots of water. Add chia seeds to your diet for better effects. So once you're done with this weight, so we will make sure first to reduce the weight because we can't target everything at one cost. So first by doing this, we will concentrate on reducing the weight. So once we reduce the weight, we have to concentrate more on stabilizing it because what will reducing mean if you're not able to stick to that weight? So once it is done, you will try to use some better food which will most be relevant with your daily routine, which will be millets. So here you can see different kinds of millets that we use on day-to-day basis. So these are available at any Indian stores, so you can get this kinds of millets. And next I'll tell you how to use the millets. So you can actually soak the millets overnight and you can cook them in like rice cooker, or you can at least cook it in a normal pot with double amounts of water, the same way you cook rice. So you'll just, for 1 cup of millet, you'll just put 2 cups of rice, but you have to make sure to minimum soak it for 6 to 8 hours. So I would suggest you to do it overnight, so by the time you wake up in the morning you can start cooking it. So there are a lot of benefits from millets. Putting that aside, this diet maintenance, you'll continue doing breakfast, lunch, evening, and dinner. And if you have excess hungry attacks, then you can have carrots and sprouts. So you'll lose weight, you'll detox, it will purify your blood, you'll cure serious health issues, and you'll have weight loss due to high fiber. It beautifies you in and out. So also, just to make sure, you have to take minimum 2 liters of water a day, and make sure you kind of exercise or go for a walk. So make sure you have nuts, buttermilk in your diet. That will help you a lot, and take lots and lots of water. So, and the eggs which I told you would be a boiled egg. Please do not add any type of sauces or anything. Just make sure to have salt and pepper a little bit. That should be fine, but nothing excess than that. So you can have baked veggies and other Indian curry along with the millets. So this is a whole diet plan to maintain the diet. So what is a healthy weight loss? So it is not so here we have different speculations on how we lose weight, how we maintain it. We have different definitions. So what is a healthy weight loss? So when we think about that, we definitely, most of us will derive to a conclusion where we kind of think that we just kind of discard the food, we just don't eat much, we just avoid lots of unnecessary food, and we'll avoid salt and sugars, and that should reduce our weight. So this is what many of people think and assume is called as a healthy weight loss, but that is just not it. You have to exercise each and every day. Your body needs an amount of pressure each and every day. For that, you need you here we have full body workouts that starts with a meditation, and then we have Surya Namaskaras, and then jumping jacks and jogging and other kinds of exercises. So this is from Kanchan Rai, and you can follow her on YouTube. So I'll give all the links in the description, but these are the full body workout sessions that you could do twice a day, at least once a day, guys, along with the diet. That will help a lot. So both has to go hand in hand if you want to reduce and stabilize your weight. And this is very important that you plan these things accordingly in your daytime. So in the end, what I just want to say you guys is self-care is very important. Often in this stressful times, we all just tend to be very busy with what we have to accomplish, our career goals, families, lot of other things, but we miss the first and most important thing, that is self-care. So if you're fine, if you're well, then I guess everything will fall in place. That's good for you. So I would say first have self-care on yourself. That will help a lot. And never think that you cannot do anything. That is not even an option. You can do anything as long as you want to do it. So always have that willpower that you can do it. And most importantly, you just have to remember and make sure to take some time out for yourself on day-to-day basis in your busy day life, and make sure you're doing these small changes to your life so that you'll no longer feel less confident or anything. So you'll feel more confident, you'll have good body, you'll have good mind, you'll be more successful for sure. So just take time out for yourself, do whatever works for you.